Welcome back to Beautyistic. If your skin has been looking a little tired, a little dull, or just not as fresh as it used to, this one's for you. There's something satisfying about a skincare kit that promises simplicity without sacrificing results. And that's exactly what we're looking at today. I'll be sharing my honest experience with the Mario Badescu Radiant Skin Trio Kit. And if you enjoy thoughtful, no-fluff beauty reviews like this, go ahead and subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. This set includes 3 of Mario Badescu's well-known staples: the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater, the Glycolic Foaming Cleanser, and the Super Collagen Mask. It's designed to help resurface, refine, and re-energize skin that's feeling dry or lackluster. Think of this kit as a mini routine rather than a random assortment of products, each step serving a specific purpose. Starting with the cleanser, this is a glycolic acid-based foaming formula. Glycolic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid known for gentle chemical exfoliation, helping to loosen dead skin cells and encourage smoother texture over time. The foam is light, not overly dense, and it spreads easily across damp skin. I use this primarily in the evening, since exfoliating cleansers are best kept out of the morning routine if your skin is on the drier side. It cleans thoroughly without that tight, squeaky feeling, though if your skin is extremely sensitive, you'll want to limit use to a few times a week. Next is the Super Collagen Mask, which is more of a creamy, rinse-off treatment than a traditional sheet or peel mask. This one is all about hydration and surface-level plumping. Collagen in topical skincare doesn't rebuild your own collagen, but it does help form a moisturizing film that makes skin feel smoother and more cushioned. I applied a medium layer once or twice a week, usually after cleansing, and left it on for about 20 minutes. Skin felt noticeably softer and more comfortable afterward, especially around the cheeks where dryness tends to show first. Then there's the iconic facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. This is less of a treatment product and more of a refreshing support step. Aloe helps soothe, rosewater adds a light hydrating boost, and the herbal blend gives it that classic Mario Badescu scent. I use this throughout the day, after cleansing, and even over makeup for a quick refresh. It doesn't replace a moisturizer, but it does help skin feel revived, especially in dry indoor environments. In terms of real-world use, this trio was easy to work into my routine without feeling overwhelming. The cleanser did most of the heavy lifting when it came to improving brightness, the mask helped with comfort and softness, and the spray acted like a supporting player that kept skin feeling refreshed between steps. The biggest strength here is balance. Nothing felt overly aggressive, and nothing felt completely ineffective either. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. The glycolic cleanser may be too much for very sensitive skin if used daily. The facial spray contains fragrance, which some people prefer to avoid. And the collagen mask delivers short-term plumping rather than long-term anti-aging benefits, which is important to understand going in. If this review is helping you decide whether this set is right for you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really does help us keep creating honest reviews like this, and if you're already tempted, the link is waiting for you in the comments. Looking at value for money, this kit makes sense if you're new to the brand or want a cohesive routine without committing to full-size products individually. The formulations are solid, the performance aligns with what's promised, and you're getting a mix of exfoliation, hydration, and refresh in one package. It's not bargain skincare, but it's fairly priced for the brand and quality. Compared to other radiance-focused kits on the market, this one leans more toward gentle resurfacing and comfort rather than dramatic overnight results. Brands with stronger actives might deliver faster changes, but they also come with a higher risk of irritation. This set sits nicely in the middle, especially for dry or dull skin that needs consistency more than intensity. The packaging is simple and practical, very much in line with Mario Badescu's clinical meets classic aesthetic. Nothing feels flimsy, and the products dispense easily without waste. With proper storage and normal use, these formulas hold up well over time. As for customer support, Mario Badescu has a long-standing reputation in the skincare space and is generally known for being responsive when it comes to product questions and concerns, which adds a layer of reassurance when buying into a set like this. If you're on a tighter budget, you could build a similar routine using individual drugstore products: a mild glycolic cleanser, a basic hydrating mask, and a soothing mist. However, if you value brand consistency and formulas that are designed to work well together, this kit justifies its place. So here's the bottom line. The Mario Badescu Radiant Skin Trio Kit does what it claims without overpromising. It's best suited for dry, dull, or tired-looking skin that needs a gentle reset rather than an aggressive overhaul. It's not revolutionary, but it's reliable, well-balanced, and easy to use, which honestly goes a long way in skincare. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the product link in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried this trio, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.